When your student starts to play the violin, we learn the feet position before we actually put the violin up. So I want to show you the proper way to stand when you're holding a violin without the violin. When you have your feet together, this is called rest position, and when we're on stage taking a bow to the audience, this is how we're going to be taking a bow, with our feet together. And we'll bow like this. As soon as we bow, we're going to spread our feet apart slightly, and this is not slightly. This is not balanced. We're going to spread them apart just slightly so that if your child bends their knees, they can stand in place without falling over. Some kids like to have their left foot slightly in front of the right foot, and that is okay. I myself prefer to have my feet just slightly apart.